In this video, I want to talk about how you can learn from experts when you're an entrepreneur. Now, the thing is, when you're an entrepreneur, you never stop learning. In fact, in life, you never really stop learning, even if you may have left school or college. And no matter how good you get at your business, you can always learn from others. And a good way to do this, and a good way to do this for free, is to simply observe what's going on. Visit competitors' websites. Take a look at their business model and then reverse engineer it so that you can emulate their success. Or if one of your competitors is a quoted company, well, buy shares or buy stock in that company, because they'll have to send you their annual report and you can go through it and see exactly what they're doing, and you can learn from that. Another good source of knowledge is attending seminars and webinars. You'll often find in any type of business that there are seminars and webinars being put on, and experts will give you the benefit of their knowledge. Another good thing about attending seminars is you'll often be able to meet other people who are in the same line of work, and you'll be able to network with them and learn from them as well. Which brings me to the next point, which is networking. And a good way to network is to join a professional organization or a chamber of commerce, because then that puts you in touch with other people who are in a similar line of work. And also, particularly if you join a chamber of commerce, you'll be in touch with people who are in different niches, different lines of work, because sometimes you can learn things from similar businesses on similar niches that can be applied to your own. So not from direct competitors, but from people who are doing something similar to you. Then you can apply that to your own business and your own line of work. Another way to increase your knowledge is to purchase reports and ebooks, because quite often when someone has become an expert at something, they will immediately publish a report, they will publish an ebook which will explain how they've become successful, and then you can emulate their success. Also, you can spend time on forums that are related to your niche. And to find them, simply do a search in Google for whatever your business or niche is, followed by forum, and you'll find lots. And there are forums on practically every type of business and every type of niche out there. And you can get lots of good ideas, share good ideas from other people who are involved in that same line of business. A good forum site for anything to do with internet marketing is the Warrior Forum, which you can find here at warriorforum.com. And it does help you get in touch with other internet marketers, and you can bounce ideas off of them and find out what's going on. And there are lots of useful information here on the Warrior Forum to do with all things IM. Another site for business in general is LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is a bit more than just a forum. It's a sort of a social network for businesses, but it can help you get in touch with other people in your niche, other people in your line of business, and you can often find people to collaborate with on LinkedIn. Something else that you can do is to hire a coach. And what most people do when they hire a coach is they hire someone to help them overcome a specific problem or a specific difficulty. And when you hire a coach, this tends to be a short-term proposition, just so you can get some extra help. And you can hire a different coach as and when needed. So if you have one problem, then you can hire a coach to help you through that. And then when you take your business to the next level, you can hire another coach to help you deal with the issues that you're going to face there. And what you're doing when you hire a coach is you're paying them for their advice and for their expertise. Beyond coaching, you can also find a mentor. Now, mentoring is a long-term proposition, and mentors are not always paid. Sometimes they're just experienced people who want to pass on their knowledge. and your mentor can learn from you too, so it could be a win-win situation for you both. And you have to bear in mind several things. First of all, experts will be more than willing to mentor an up-and-coming newbie. But on the other hand, they won't waste their time on someone without potential. So if you want their advice, you have to demonstrate that you have the proper mindset and that you're coming into the field with a plan. So you already have to have some idea as to what you're talking about. You have to have some idea as to where you want your business to go. And then your mentor will help you take that to the next level. Now, there are all sorts of places that you can find mentors. Professional organizations can help put you in touch with a mentor. Banks in some places have mentors to help their small business clients and that sort of thing.